What are my rights with an adverse action notice? Have you ever received an adverse action notice and wondered what it really means for you? This notice can feel overwhelming, especially if you are dealing with bankruptcy or credit issues. Let's break down your rights and what you need to know. When you get an adverse action notice, it means that a creditor or lender has made a negative decision about your credit application. This could be a denial, a reduction in your credit limit, or unfavorable changes to your credit terms. The good news is that your rights are protected under federal laws, specifically the Equal Credit Opportunity Act and the Fair Credit Reporting Act. First, you should receive this notice in writing, electronically, or sometimes verbally. It must arrive within a reasonable time frame, usually between 7 to 10 business days after the decision has been made. The notice will include important details like the name, address, and phone number of the credit reporting agency that provided the information used in the decision. Additionally, it will outline the reasons for the adverse action, which can be up to 5 specific reasons. You will also see a statement indicating that the credit reporting agency did not make the decision and cannot explain why it was made. Importantly, the notice will inform you that you have the right to obtain a free copy of your credit report from that agency within 60 days of receiving the notice. You also have the right to dispute any inaccurate or incomplete information in your credit report. This is especially important if you have filed for bankruptcy. The adverse action notice can help you determine if your bankruptcy status played a role in the negative decision. If you want to know more about the specific information the creditor used to make their decision, you can request this within 60 days of receiving the notice. This request can help you identify any errors or negative information that may have affected their choice. Understanding your rights with an adverse action notice is essential, especially if you have a bankruptcy history. It allows you to verify that your bankruptcy information is reported accurately and gives you the chance to dispute any inaccuracies. This can potentially improve your credit standing and future credit opportunities. So, if you receive an adverse action notice, remember that you have rights. You deserve clear reasons for any negative credit decisions and the ability to access and dispute your credit report. Knowing these rights can help you take control of your financial future.